Okay, new year, new time, new house, new me, new. You just want to new everything new year, right? So that's why I'm a hot mess. I've done every room just about in this house. Cabinets, cleaned out drawers. I've cleaned out my bedroom, all the corners and everything in the bedroom. So now we're on this. This is the hall catch-all closet. It used to have a hanger in it. This came out of it. So I got to figure out what to do with that stuff as well. Easter from the dollar store. Easter, more Easter from the dollar store. Oh, my baby. Where it goes to? This is a broken tablet. I bet I could get the screen fixed on it. Never got to use it. The bags. I have so many bags. So many bags.
Mom,
What?
can you please go fill this up to 2.5?
Can I what?
Please go fill this up to 2.5. Shipping.
Hey, I sure would like the other crock. This one's yours.
I know it's that. Oh my gosh, you stopped yelling at me, sir.
Come over. This has been a craft closet, a coat closet, a you name it closet. It's been everything. But look, they sent me the wrong size. It was Temu. I never. How cute is that? It's adorable. This was a gift from a TikToker. I'm going to put this on my dining room table. Isn't that pretty? I got a sewing kit I've had forever. Oh, look. These are so cute. We got to flatten these so we can hang these in his room. When Avery was born, put that in a memory box. A whole box of photos, poems, stuff like that. In my bedroom, I'm putting that in. Or it's just a cedar chest. When we were growing up, it was called a hope chest. Remember having a hope chest? Those are 4s. Those are not going to fit him. He's in 5s now. He's so big. Props for videos. My son left here. He probably wants them back. Hey, this is all crafting.
I just kidding. It's
A couple of paintings I painted. Should I throw them away? Throw them away?
what?
I changed them before I left to go to HEB.
You get it off his foot. I gotta go turn.
Hey, is this yours? I'm cleaning out the hall closet. Is it yours? This is the table that high chair in there comes apart. We found a baby bird out by the garbage can. We're gonna try and save it. Makeshift birdhouse. Shelf too, y'all. I'm gonna do with all that. There you go. That little bird just woke up. You want to see a little bird? Got a hold of him, but he's got air in there. I've got a full crack right there. And he's right there. Can you see him? Ta-da! All done. All clean, organized. Nice, nice, nice.